This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
And those river levels will be peaking this weekend, slowly falling into early next week, but it does appear that major flooding will be happening along the Muskegon River through at least Monday into Tuesday. For the rest of us, we have storms that are coming in from around 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., so we have a weather ready alert for that. Damaging winds will be the biggest concern that we have with these storms, but there will be some heavy rain, which of course is not going to be helping, especially along the Muskegon River and north where flooding has been so terrible. Brief spin-up tornado is possible within this line of storms, but it's not the main threat, but it is something that I do want to highlight just in case, because we know that those storms can sometimes spin a tornado up very, very quickly. Clouds have built in here in the Ravenna area. When I chose this camera about 30 minutes ago, it was sunny, so clouds are starting to roll in. We can see that out into Lake Michigan here from this gorgeous view from the South Haven Pier area. Not much chop along the water, and it is so warm outside, a little breezy and a little humid, all of those things adding to that severe weather threat. So wind right now is from the south at about 15 miles an hour, and our temperatures are in the upper 70s and low 80s. The cold front that we're watching back to the west is very powerful, and there are tornado watches, those yellow boxes up and down the front. No watches for us, but I will be waiting to see what happens later on this evening. We'll likely see these storms roll in right around 10 p.m., so the timing is not ideal, and our ingredients are not quite aligned the way that they were on Tuesday night, so all of those things are leading to at least a slightly lower chance for strong to severe storms, but a level 2 from Muskegon down through Kalamazoo is there back through the lakeshore, where our gusty winds and our elevated threat for tornadoes would be slightly higher. The rest of us are in this level 1 marginal risk, so a little bit of a lower threat overall. Gusty winds and heavy rain will be the biggest issues for us, but this is kind of a short duration event, but with it being into the late evening and overnight, you may want to make sure you have multiple ways to get warnings. By around midnight, we'll start to see these storms roll in. I will say this model is a little slower than some of the other ones, but still continues to weaken this line as it makes its way through West Michigan, especially east of 131, but it does kind of delay the storms exiting as well. So probably we'll be seeing storms right around 10 o'clock, but it could be a little bit later. And if you live east of 131, these may not clear until around 3 or 4 a.m. There will be some cold air behind this front and still some lingering showers into Saturday morning. So that'll still be not the most fun day, mostly because it's been feeling really warm the last couple of days. We're not going to be feeling that into tomorrow. Most of our rain totals will be around 1/3 of an inch, but notice in areas that are already very flooded. Mecosta, Newaygo, Muskegon counties, we could see upwards of 1/2 an inch to almost an inch of rain. So that will continue to stress the Muskegon River particularly. The rest of us may fare a little bit better because lesser rain is expected, but river flooding will still be a concern through at least the middle of next week. Cold and breezy tomorrow and Sunday, but at least we stay dry until next Friday.